about technology that powers our everyday lives. Our phones, our laptops, electric vehicles, smart appliances, and even satellites. One industry quietly makes all of this possible: electronics and semiconductor manufacturing. And today, it is one of the fastest growing and most exciting career opportunities for engineering students.
Electronics and semiconductor industry demands precision at an entirely different level. Whether it's machining aluminium housings, heat sinks, connector blocks, precision fixtures, or semiconductor equipment components, every micron matters. Manufacturers need machines that deliver exceptional accuracy, repeatability, and speed every single setup. And that's exactly why high-speed drill tap centers have become an essential part of modern electronics manufacturing.
The electronic industry is evolving rapidly. Miniaturization, automation, Industry 4.0, and semiconductor expansion are creating entirely new manufacturing opportunities. Companies today are looking for engineers who don't just understand design but also know how precision components are manufactured on industrial grade CNC machines.
This is where Performance Series PDT 700 plays a vital role. Designed specifically for high-speed drilling and tapping applications, the PDT 700 combines speed, rigidity, and precision to deliver consistent performance. Its rapid tool-changing capabilities, high spindle speeds, and excellent positioning accuracy makes it ideal for producing the complex components used through the electronics and semiconductor industries. For students, it's an opportunity to experience the same manufacturing environment trusted by leading industries. Modern electronics manufacturing goes far beyond machining. It is driven by intelligent manufacturing, CAD/CAM programming, digital simulation, automated tool management, process optimization, real-time monitoring, and smart factory technologies have become the new standard. Understanding these technologies is becoming just as important as understanding machining itself.
These are exactly the technologies students will encounter throughout their careers. Whether they join a semiconductor plant, a consumer electronic manufacturer, or medical electronic companies, or precision engineering organizations, the journey begins with learning on machines that are built for the real industrial productions.
The semiconductor industry is expanding faster than ever. Governments and manufacturers across the world are investing heavily in electronics manufacturing and chip production. This growth is creating thousands of opportunities for CNC programmers, manufacturing engineers, production specialists, process engineers, automation experts, and precision machining professionals. Practical exposure to industrial machine prepares students to confidently step into the advanced manufacturing roles.
Our vision at Philips Education has always been simple: to bridge the gap between the classroom learning and real manufacturing. Through collaborations like these, the Performance Series PDT 700 becomes more than just a machine. It becomes a platform where future engineers build the practical skills, confidence, and industry exposure needed for tomorrow's manufacturing world. Every smart device begins with precision manufacturing, and every innovation starts with skilled engineers. By understanding the modern manufacturing technologies today, students prepare themselves for the industries shaping tomorrow. If you are ready to build a career in exciting, high-growth industries like electronics, semiconductor manufacturing, connect with Philips Education and gain the skills that industry demands.